मोहितो probably is the most popular drink of all times. इसका origin हवाना क्यूबा में हुआ था. Now this drink is so refreshing, so eye appealing और इतनी popular है और इसको बनाते हैं मडलिंग के तरीके से. So we will now make a mojito right here, but it takes a lot of hard work, lot of processes are there. इसमें काफ़ी मीज़ोप्लास करना पड़ता है और उसका रीज़न ये है कि जो मिंट लीफ है इसकी शेल्फ लाइफ बहुत कम होती है. सो यू नीड टू मेक श्योर कि आप अपना मीज़ोप्लास तैयार रखें और आपका मटेरियल या लाइम जूस और मिंट लीफ एक ही दिन के अंदर ख़त्म हो. यू कैन नॉट यूज इट फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे. सो लेट्स मेक अ मोहितो. टू स्टार्ट विद आई विल बी कटिंग एंड प्रेपिंग सम लाइन्स. तो ये लिया हमने एक नाइफ and I'm cutting it into halves. Now that I've got two halves, I'll be cutting into three portions of wedges. We got three here और तीन यहाँ. अब ये जो नींबू की खुशबू आ रही है इसके जो जेस्ट और ऑयल चाहिए हमें वो मडलिंग से मिलेंगे. So once this is done, we need to prep for a mint. So let me pull up a glass. अब इस मिंट में हर एक पत्ते में एक ऊपर का हिस्सा एक नीचे का है. तो नीचे के जो हिस्से हैं ये तोड़ के मैं इंग्रेडिएंट की तरह यूज़ करता हूँ और ऊपर वाले पोर्शन को जो स्प्रिग कहते हैं, इसको हम स्प्रिग कहते हैं, इसको मैं यूज़ करता हूँ फॉर गार्निशिंग. और इसको लगभग जितनी ज़रूरत होगी जो ग्लास के अंदर आएगा गार्निश के हिसाब से उतना ही तोड़ लूँगा. So here we go. I got the first sprig and this sprig we can discard. इस स्टेम के अंदर कड़वाहट होती है. So this should not be muddled at all. Lot of bartenders make this mistake of muddling with the stem. No, only the leaves. So it's a lot of hard work in terms of doing your मीज़ोप्लास या prepping. तो थोड़ा सा गार्निश के लिए और निकाल लेते हैं. And this is very refreshing. I can smell the mint here. It's very, very refreshing. And don't be stingy with mint. Use plenty of mint to get a good aroma. ये बहुत अच्छे बड़े nice aromatic herb है mint. And when you're breaking the mint or making a mojito in a bar, the smell spreads around you and everybody's looking at it. It's a good feeling. It's all about experience. जैसे हमने पहली क्लास में बोला था, it's all about experience. और जब mint से कोई drink बनती है and slightly slapped, the aromas spread all over the bar. बस थोड़े से और and we are sorted. So I'm actually taking through the process जो हम बारों में करते हैं when I'm working in a bar, yeah, in a function, in a wedding. So mojito is the most popular drink, as I told you before. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है और ये इतनी स्पीड से जाते हैं कि कई बार हम 50 से 100 ग्लास पहले ही रेडी करके रखते हैं in terms of just without the ice but all the ingredients inside the glass. And I think one more and we are sorted here. Okay, so let's get into the real stuff of making the cocktail. So this is over, I'm going to keep it away. This is over, I'm going to keep it away. This I will push it and my workspace is ready now. अब बात आती है mojito की. Now let me tell you something. Mojito is very similar to daiquiri. All it needs is a daiquiri with some broken mint leaves and aroma and topped with soda with a lot of crushed ice. So it's a variation of daiquiri but in a different way because it's fizzy and we want the fizz. So once we need the fizz, we need a highball. So let's get a highball glass now. A pre-chilled highball glass. इस पे हम डालेंगे 4 lemon wedges और साथ में डालूंगा मैं इसमें 15 ml sugar syrup. It goes in and let's muddle it gently. So what I'm doing here is I'm pressing it very gently to get the oils of the skin, the zest oils, and some lemon juice, and being mixed with sugar. And I'm getting a beautiful aroma of sugar zests and juice. So it's brilliant. Now comes the time to put the real liquid. Albagari Cata Blanca, 60 ml of this. Here it goes. Now I'm gonna put some mint in this, जो हमने तोड़े थे, but I'm gonna slap it. I don't want to break it inside. I'm going to slap it. Some people do that. That's their wish, but I don't want to break it too much. I'll be later on mixing it with crushed ice. Wow! And I'm gonna turn it once again and put it all in. Now that my mint, Bacardi, liquid, everything is in, all we need to do is put some crushed ice. So let's get the garnish out of the way. It's right here. And I'm gonna get some crushed ice in it. Normally I would cover it with a napkin ताकि गैस के ऊपर ना गिरे. But just for the video, we got it here. It's all in there now. All the ingredients is getting chilled. I will just mix up everything together. So my sugar, citrus oils and juice and liquid and ice is all mixed together well. I'm going to put some soda and top it up. Just a little splash. And here we go. Now I'm going to let it settle down for a little while. अब ये जो सोडा डाला है वो इन इसके बबल्स एरेशन नीचे तक जब जाएंगे और मिक्स होंगे, so all the aromas will marry with each other. And some more crushed ice and some more, and it looks absolutely refreshing. Now along with the straw, as I told you before, along with the straw, which I'm going to slide it in to one side but not all the way down, I'm going to pick up our garnish जो हमने पहले ली थी. I'm going to fix it all together, slap it a bit, put it on the glass and next to the straw. So that looks a beautiful, nice mojito.